tell about your interviews?
I remember being really nervous for my interviews. I interviewed at Mountain College where I had two interviews. Actually, I had two more interviews. One at Martin College and one at State House, which is where I am now. And during these four interviews, I saw many interesting questions. One really interesting question I saw was a question about cubes and the number of varieties a cube has. Well, 3 dimensions, 4 dimensions, and even higher dimensions. And it didn't stop there. We also discussed how many edges there are in these dimensions, and we tried to find a formula for each one of these. I thought it was quite interesting. There were also very hard questions. One particular question I remember is I was asked to sketch the normal distribution which was like the cube, and I was asked to sketch its derivative by I, and its derivative as well, so 2 derivatives, and that was easy enough, you just get it. And then she asked me, do I notice anything about the number of turning points and the number of leads as we go down? And then I noticed that as the differentiate each time the number of leads and the number of turning points increased by 1. And then the question was given to me, can you prove the formula is true? And that was really difficult. I was really stumped at the beginning. And actually, I didn't know what to say. Luckily for me, the interviewer, he gave me a prompt. He gave me a hint about some theorem that is really useful for this, and I immediately managed to use this hint and then go on to answer the question. I thought I was really scary at first, but really rewarding at the end. I didn't get anything about my personal statement in the interview, which I thought it wasn't too strength. I suppose they thought it wasn't really interesting at the interviews.
Which aspect appealed the most to the tutor?
I think that interviewers will like to see me struggle towards the question because they want to see how I think. They want to see the pressure in which I go about a question. And so they would really like giving me a difficult question so that I do struggle with it. And they would often give me hints to see if I can cooperate with them. If I do attend the university and to prepare for the interviews, I kept that in mind. I practice impressing my thoughts as much as possible. I did this by speaking out loud when I'm by myself answering a math question, and I tried to do this whenever I could.
Oxford Mathematics Interview Preparation.
Well, I will also mention that I try to speak my thoughts as much as possible. Rather than that, I was really keen on solving Maths BMU, Green's Maths Olympic question. I feel like that helped out a lot my problem-solving skill. It gave me a good institution on how to solve a question, and I think it made me a better problem solver all round. And I did, and the interview, most interview with my teacher, and they were quite keen enough. And to the decision with me, they emphasized that I should be speaking my thoughts out as much as possible. If even when I was struggling to come up with an answer. They ensured me time and time again to try to give suggestions as how to solve the problem. For example, maybe we can solve this by induction even though you are not sure how you do that, and so on. So, I did this thing quite often, and I did it about 2 times a week with my teacher. That's much interview. And there's other thing I could mention. I try to keep them on getting in the background as I prepare for my interview.